Why India's economy needs a manufacturing push. Hello and welcome to Inventive Art. This is Palak Yadav presenting you today's big news. The biggest contributor to the Indian economy is the manufacturing sector. But given the virulent nature of the virus, which empathetically leads to the imposition of the stringent lockdown, leads to degradation and crippling of the same. Given the predicament that the Indian economy finds itself in, it is to be noted that India's economy needs a robust manufacturing push. This is all the more important given that the other sectors in the Indian economy are still recuperating and the economy is still in the nascent stage of its recovery. The manufacturing sector revival is even more important given the rising unemployment in the economy and the crippled financial state of many residents. It is to be noted that revamping the manufacturing sector is not only the need of the hour but also a huge opportunity to use the unused potential of the manufacturing sector to become a global manufacturing hub. This is evidently true and possible given China's debacle of handling the crisis and COVID origin discrepancies that actually can present an unardent opportunity for India. There is an ongoing rage in the market against China given the COVID origins, so much so that manufacturers are considering moving out. Though much of the investment has shifted to Vietnam, but India cannot afford to miss this opportunity bus. It is to be noted that economic growth can be provided by the revival of the manufacturing sector as the service sector has hugely been crippled by the effects of the lockdowns. In contrast, the growth in the manufacturing sector has been abysmal despite the huge availability of cheap labor and other resources. The other need for the same is that the service sector has already empathetically shown immense growth in the 1990s and has served the nation well. But it is about time that the focus now is deliberately shifted to the boosting of the crucial manufacturing sector. For instance, the Make in India campaign was ambitiously launched by the government. It was the first flagship goal in the government that had initiated to make India self-reliant. Empathetically, it is to be noted that this was being initiated to aim at strategically increasing the share of the production sector. To put the goal in numbers, the share of the sector was to be increased to 25% of the gross domestic product or GDP. But on the other hand, the other plans like Startup India have effectively aimed at boosting the production capabilities of the nation have also cooled off in recent decades. The need to shift the focus is due to the fact that the impact of the COVID on the service sector has been immense. The service sectors comprises sectors like entertainment, hospitality, aviation, etc., which are actually contact intensive. Given the virulent nature of the virus, these were the worst hit due to the imposition of the lockdowns. But on the other hand, given the rise of the global demand, manufacturing sector can come in to tend to such.